Your donations are developed into swift water solutions, saving lives in the camps of Cox's Bazar for tens of thousands of Rohingya refugees. The residents of the overcrowded and underserved camps currently source water from unsafe sources and still water. This increases the risks in contracting waterborne diseases and infections. Now, with your generous support, Al Khair is installing tube wells across the camps, providing safe, clean groundwater to tens of thousands of Rohingya refugees, who can now wash and clean without fear of ill health and have access in a convenient and practical way. Quench their thirst and install a tube well for just £250, and know that each and every drop of clean water used is life-changing. Save Rohingya lives now by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.